Hello friends, welcome back to Tech2. In this video, I am going to show you how you can change power button setting. If you long press on power button, so it's wake Bixby. Okay, so if you want to change the setting of power button when you long press on power button, so it have to show on power menu. Okay, so how you can do this? Just go to device settings, scroll down until you see advanced features. Tap on advanced features, tap on side button. Okay, now press and hold. Under press and hold you will see two options, wake Bixby and other one is power off menu. So tap on power off menu. Now when you long press on your power button like this, so it will come power menu like power off, restart and all. Okay, and you can change this setting also. Double press on this side button, so you can choose two options, quick launch camera or open app. If you select this quick launch camera and now double tap on it, so camera will quick launch. Alright, that's how you change power button setting in your Galaxy S24 Ultra Samsung. Thank you so much for watching. If this video was helpful, so please like, share, subscribe to Tech2.